Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, Cadillac, come on before we crack. Lose your news.
We use a key called image, you know, from Mr. Mass roll out the map, pure damage, you know.
Watch the party. They can't see, so we ain't come Drink out, I write a say every Sunday, take a load up. Clap jacket. Get the girl involved for her. Yes, sir, fucking Chris. I pass it up. Money in your pocket, you enjoy life. Put up a cup in your ear, though. All look at people who are smart to be enjoying themselves. Put up a cup in your ear. Put up your cup in your ear. If you move and have some. What up? yourself. Play somebody go play yourself. Hold on.
Everybody sing.
Everybody.
Use yourself.
Look what the girl can do ya. Party.
Come on and sing.
Say it again now. Even one time push forward 1 hour. But not go up to the 8 o'clock in the morning. Guess what? Get a person that get together, you know. Ladies, go! Sing the part of the beyond, you know. Ladies, why? I got this. Give me all the side to side. Gonna get my part of them, Sammy. Go to bed to him, man. Turn it down a notch. Ladies. See me get it from all ya. And then you all right. Let me hear some song in the morning. Yeah, this one. And then you. Be the president, get you out of the I don't know why. Brush it over here, brush your teeth. Sing the part of the ladies. Got a girl tonight, I'm gonna sing for the night. Got the girl in the green and white over the sun. Listen, close to the eyes. Let's go! Can sing? Sing! Everybody make a march.
That's it, that's all.
Come on, see that one there, one, shut it out. Tell me how this.
That's what it's for, Chris.
Yeah, this, let's go. I bet this is the fuck up. I bet this is the fuck up. It's not out there. Make everyone for the girl then. And if you clap some song in here. The girl don't remember the boy you sex with for the first time. Walk up on us like a go. Bring this, go. Looking at now listen. The girl don't remember the boy take your virginity. Sing the part and not the beyond. How you feel? Sing now. Touch. Someone and I are wicked, you fuck. I'm not afraid of that. Big up the girl that come out and a good, clean friend. Your friend no bad mind and you no bad mind. How about your friend I enjoy yourself in the morning? How about your friend? How about your friend? Are you sure I squeeze you? And everything in one there. Everything stand up to the morning over. I can't get my party enjoy themselves. Ladies, are you ready? Let's go. Yeah, this thing on the audio. I can't never show you not being a fasting. I sing your fasting now, go jump off. Open your mouth and sing with me, hear this. Sing. You want to dance with somebody who love you? If you want to know if the boy love you, but you never see him just come up into an island and shoot and crack out and put. If he not left you, he will look you to fuck. Can't know what fish. What's this now? Show me on you. Show me on you. Sing on Lord. Hear this one. Hear the choir. Hear this. Let's go. Let's go. Some of foreign every day sit down and look cute and one man to take care of it. They know this art they pay the foreign. Big up when you have a 9 to 5. Apart from that, you have good credit score. The girl that want to need a man to survive and you play a song, yeah?
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live
Come on, the foreign.
without.
The independent girl, them sing of you. They are the sing of you. You see that? Sing that. Independent ladies. Yes, they never fuck up in there now. The party name 80s, 90s and early 2000s. People who appreciate reggae music. Every night we hear the skinny bang them and skin them and the valiant them. They're gonna play some real music in it tonight. The girl them have a man at Jamaica. When the man call you, what you tell him say? But fuck up in this morning, what up? Everybody want to hear. As fucking you. What me want to do? I'm talking to you about guess what it is? All we know a long distance relationship. When the partner call you, make your man see you. Tell him. Someone in your wicked too. Yeah, but they will tell you to have a man. And all the time she talk to you with her man, I talk to her. Wicked girl. Japanese man in your face. She wants a cry. But you mean get it some long time? I'm not here to stand me. Sing the party. Let me tell you. Someone to rock and roll. Yes, sir. I'm to experience the beat taken for a ride. What? Someone get a wicked night. I'm the one who will run out cry. Sing with me, I don't know. Sing now. I went to fuck up in
myself,
I'm so tired. My confrontation.
What's that song in there, man?
This will be
Every girl is represent.
now look at me.
What time?
What it was true.
Because.
That's where I should be.
What time?
Know what to do.
Somebody say
What I should say.
somebody say what
I
time?
don't make up my mind.
Everybody sing the party.
I just say.
She told me. I'm walking that dance and I'm next to Marina. You better go. Jamaican girl, she didn't go from my black pocket. So a girl over there start breathing. So I'm a fresh go ask her if she alright, she wants something to drink. You know, she look for my friend and tell my friend to tell me, say, what's this? What's it tell my friend to tell me? Let she know. You see that girl? Let she tell me that. I'm up on here and cool and then guess what? Everybody sing! I come and play about 3 more, yeah? Nobody! Everybody sing with me! Wanna sing song? I want good dances, me not do one cuss. But pussy and a cuss. The man that love pussy say pussy. Any boy can put up your hand for the song, yeah? He's a batty guy. The man that say pussy till your chest is close. And the man that rise up in there. Rise up. Someone but I want to kill you so they get them attack. Batty boy! Batty boy! This is Innocent, I represent Ireland, the Florida, and Trinidad. What's up in here? What's up in here? If you love one on the man, clap your hand. Any boy can clap a batty man. If you love one on the back, I ain't not fuck no man. Put up your hand in the ear like that. Some of them boy are going to put no man a blood like that. And just so we get now. Anyone now put up your hand for the Sanja is a batty guy. Don't you? Yes, we're talking to this. Yes. Let's talk to this. Everybody stand up. Do the same. What I mean. This is them. Batman! Batman! Said you like a gun and biting at you. Oh my, I'm not batty boy. You fuck up in the house. You fuck up in the house. Fuck up in the house. Fuck up in the house. Everybody put up your hand. Put up your hand. What? I don't want to see a better world. I don't want to see a better Jamaica. Put up your hand over here now. Rise up your hand. Why?
Somebody please tell me. Yeah, me so dead.
Modern vampires of the city. Anti-blood.
You know what I'm going to talk to? Bravo, come in the pillar. Down the corner. Now catch your eyes. The fuck nigga. Come on. Hey.
thing that I found out, ain't have one woman, gotta have three. One woman just to hold me down, one woman just to lift me up. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side that really don't give a fuck. If you wanna leave, baby, go ahead and leave, yeah. One thing that I found out, ain't have one woman, gotta have three. One woman just to hold me down, one woman just to lift me up. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side that really don't give a fuck. If you wanna go, baby, go ahead and walk out the door. One thing, one more, no show. Oh, baby, go ahead and walk out the door. One thing that you gotta remember is what one woman gotta have three. One woman just to hold me down, one woman just to lift me up. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side that really don't give a fuck. So if you wanna leave, baby, go ahead and leave, yeah. One thing that I found out, ain't having one woman, gotta have three. One woman just to hold me down, one woman just to lift me up. And I gotta at least have one woman on the side that really don't give a fuck. If you wanna go, baby, walk out the door. One thing that you gotta remember is one monkey don't stop no show. If you wanna go, baby, go ahead and walk out the door. One thing that you gotta remember is one monkey don't stop no show. This train gon' keep on rolling. Oh yeah, keep on going. Oh yeah, this train gon' keep on rolling. Oh yeah, keep on going.
Where's the one to say? Alright, talk to you.
Yo. Hey man, it's not floor shit. You know what I'm saying? It's how we're figuring out we can play some more than one quick. Y'all know good? That's what's up with this. Drop it, DJ.
It's 2 o'clock. It's
People that was my final song. I dedicate my life to hear this thing. You know my things to do. DJ Jagger. Press up my finger on one. I'm not joking around that. People, as a matter of fact, it's not DJ. And them man are meant to be in the music business. You see me, I say, DJ Jagger. Portland product. See you know from Jagger. But, you know why I'm happy about it. Right? Jagger. Wait up.
DJ Jagger, you know. Batman thing, Batman so.
DJ Jagger, fire, background, cool. What is that? Cool. What is that? Cool. What is that? Cool. What is that?
Oh, big up all the peeps over there, whatever it's guys. Everything good, everything alright. You see me, I say, I foot loose enough people. Give me a 1 minute, bro. I'm so find a song for you. Don't worry yourself. I'm so play a song for you. Before we deal with you, we have to deal with the party from a different level right now. Big up all of the people that know so now give God thanks to life right now. Bust a blank in here for yourself right now. From the know so now give God thanks to life. I want to go people drop out and we're still there. Right, that's how we are starting. Sing right now.
Ever since it's been
somebody play that one now.
and let's drink.
Everybody know.
Raise your glass to the good and the evil. Let's drink to the sound of the air.
The ladies have been know you have a real friend. Bust a blank for your friend right now. What do you want to know you have a real friend in your life right now? Bust a blank for your friend.
And as far as I'm
Hear this.
glad I got to say that I do believe
Watch it all, hear this.
I should have known. Only close your eyes and try. Feel the way we do.
Hear this already.
And then you can't remember.
My God. Hear this.
Keep smiling.
Give up your friend, real friend. Sincere. We can't play one more song for the ladies. When you heard them girl sing that one, you know. What the guy said, the way you hold the voice, no ladies. Ready?
I used to think that I wasn't I used to think that I wasn't
See him there.
always my time trying to figure out. I hate playing games with this
Ladies.
and I can't believe you in me. You're not
Sincere will.
seeing her, you ain't seeing me, but it was all
Sing now. Sing. 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 Oh, why you doing the pussy, girl? Why you doing the pussy? All of the money when you want a real woman in your life, what's up, like in here now? Banda Saya.
See, I don't.
See him where? See him where? Tell him. Oh, the son, good son. But I didn't see a foot loose, so right now the ladies have been doing something more than you. Must have blank in your yourself right now. Watch out now. I'm full loose with it. All the people who don't still love your life right now, stop that here for yourself. All who don't still love life right now, stop that here for yourself. I'm full loose with that. All who don't still love life, stop that here for yourself. Alive, we are living love right now, everybody in here. The people who don't say Arkansas, we have your in here right now. We have your in here right now. I thought those who got to run, watch out now. Yes, sir. Watch out now. Where is the reggae? Watch out, sir. Walk up in here. Walk up in here now. Let me go for your movie, man. Ready now. Watch it, watch it. For those here. Ready up now. All right. What are you going to have a good man and sex up on that? Watch out. Yes, a woman never forget the man one more time. Watch out. Big up on that good poo-poo girl up on us again now. Big up the girl where you have a man and sex you good. When you good pussy girl in there, the girl said walk up and don't even know. Walk up in there. Big up all of the fluffy girl when you move it quick on your foot. When you good pussy girl in there, ready now. Like this. What's up on the report here? Yes, baby, looking good. Oh, you mean? Watch out. Baby, are you the man, love? Are you the man, real? But the man tell you what him sex in here, what tell you? What tell you? Oh, you mean? Yeah, up here one step, but see if you know what I'm saying in a football. I want that to know what I'm saying in a football right now. I want that to know what I'm saying. Watch out now! Who knows? Everyone tear up when I give it right now in a football. Watch out! Oh, you mean? Oh, not well, I don't know music, so I bet you don't know if you sing that one. Bet you don't know if you sing that one. Watch out! Watch out! I thought those. Watch out! Big up the big one, the big one, the boys. See the back part of the song here. Where
That's why I'm asking you, what can you do for me? I'm hot, responsibility. So I'm looking for a man, somebody in me. You got to have someone. If you wanna be with me, come on. It's just serious. Oh, super serious. My girl, I need some. Sex and sharing is why I'm ended up just you got this and that will be
Let me hear you guys say I wanna know.
embrace it, just start over. Baby, with you
Ready now, there is a party now. The good body girl that want that second, you know. Let me hear it now. Watch out. Yeah, this is the boy. Watch out.
it's wanted all the time. Ended up just enough. You got this and that will come on, embrace it, just start over. Baby, when you won't have your man, stop it,
No, watch it out. Let me just blow on something. Reset it back up. Hold on, man. Computer again, half a while ago. Here we have now. Here we have to play about that song for him, see? We have to play about that song for him, alright? Money pull up it. Say the word to them. Play it again.
sex and sharing is wanted all the time. Ended up just enough.
Ladies, are ready?
You got this, and that will be a deal with the team.
What's it passing now?
Come on, embrace it, just start over. The baby, but you won't have your man. I'll get busy loving every woman that he can.
Watch out on the others. Whatever you can.
For the time, baby, it's easy to let me down, and you just can't take it away.
No. Oh, that's so good. But you know what, no, we feel like a writer on the party there. But I want to know when the party there right now. We feel like a writer on the party there. Watch it now.
Oh, Father, who art in Zion, on the way, thy name, thy kingdom on earth.
Writers on the feel like a party there.
Will be done on earth.
Everybody in there now.
All the way, be thy name.
We feel like a writer on the footloose right now. Writers on the footloose right now. Everybody in there now, we know you're king. Yes,
want you to hear.
Watching our photos. Watching our photos. Watching our photos.
Don't show your face, Mr. Cat, because you can't stop Mr. Lassiano. Yeah!
All my people know.
Now, Mr. Special Dedication to one man, when I live a center, that is a Mr. Cat, here, back rider. The side of the rhythm and the run to Asia. And in a London, I'm missing in America. And in a Canada, I'm missing in a China. In the
You want me now to play that song then? You gonna play that one, yeah. You gonna play that one, yeah. When the Mojo Man talk from Sunday, and the Mojo Man talk from Kenya, most of them Kenya know. Most of them Kenya. Respect, disrespect. Respect, disrespect. Money pull up around. All of you need for your contract going in here. God Almighty. Respect, disrespect. So I don't know who they want to give it. Respect. The woman never want to watch a pussy. You say, I'm watch my mouth to see. Yeah, I just buy that thing. I come and shooting on them all. Funny was like your feeling. We no explanation. So ask me what it's time. It's not I'm gonna make you listen to it. Are you ready? Watch it now. Remember to see the pussy going on in here.
I'm longing to see you. I wanna know how you feel.
Watch out. Make it play a song.
I'm gonna catch this flight. When I reach my destination, I'm gonna be smiling.
All of the money looks like a crew on the name like what's up here tonight? Watch it out. Watch out.
Just to say hello, my dear. I'm fine.
Watch out. Make it play a song.
Doesn't matter anyway.
Let me ever sing the part that was going on. I'm footloose. Sing that part.
Doing right now, my friend. Everybody gonna put the
Let me see if I know music. No! When the play that song, yeah. Let me see if I know music. Watch it now. Disrespect, father, can't defend himself, don't have an eye. Took it on, and I just have to try first to return the star. You see the shouting of the people around? Shouting, shouting! What's all who know say you can't defend where you come from. Bust a blank in your ear for yourself. No! You know from where you come from. You know from where you come from.
Don't be persistent. When I've been through hills and valleys, I survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, no whiskey.
Everybody shout out for your door. Go for your door.
Whatever.
Police can't lock up who gonna. All of them know say gonna stick for chichi man gun in a ear. Gun in a ear.
Who know better? Show.
Me uno and all original Dayati gunman.
But they won't say
Everybody knows me. If you not ready to go take around me, youngster, stepping on the gun count of fair. Who not ready now? Who knows? Watching out for those everybody know. What's that?
Oh, you mean?
Everyone knows Jerry Mayer from the road.
Anytime I'm ready.
I'm gonna get a cube on the inside. Just say inside. Inside. Watch it. Let me take you to Black to basic. Black to basic. You remember? You remember? When the rain is sang, any girl not dance on the ride. They can't do what girl do. Every girl start rotate the waistline. Jasmine. The thing of Jasmine rice. White girl. From the other side. What about the rice? Paper boys, we don't go. They get back to where I'm going. Where I'm going. Where I'm going. They get up the skin, the market like charcoal. They get up the green skin there.
Can I see your body right now? The body want to change your chance for.
Bend your back, and put your knees down. Bend your back, get the partner back. When I go around, when I go down. When I know down, if you wanna say so. Just like your wine, so what do you want to stop you?
What's this? Oh man!
Shut up, hungry belly no good. They get me hungry belly no man touch on.
She want me feel nice, so she said,
I want the girl there.
what's that? That sweet nice,
If you come in that party and see an ex-boyfriend, just walk past him and do this.
by one time, what can she can't take? Went down the deep.
When you see the girl, number one thing I can tell them. Let me have this. Stop the phone, the girl. Show me some deal. Business is not cheap. It's like childhood. The girl was that one man to your vagina. Try to one girl. One finger. Two man, two finger. Three man, girl, go suck your mother. And the girl was that one man. Okay, walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up. Put up your hand now. In the gym. These are girls sunburned. Me not tell a lie. When they get them see me, they get them say. Watch him on it right. I'm walking like that since night. My girl look for me and said, get me now. She said, get me now. Then she said, I'm Kia Sinatra, 6BB, 8AD, you're blocking. Kia Sinatra. Every guy is on the I represent. I'm not going to show the car. What if I fuck around going in the morning, no? They think the market is boring. Like you say 80s, 90s are early 2000s. So everybody are dance till they sweat, and then I don't sweat yet. Just so the fucker start in the morning. No! Everybody want to come to party, make a party road. Everybody want Everybody, everybody get out your ass.
I've seen no death before.
Everybody be a party now, man. Party! Alright, so we're going to the people. Whoa! Here's the fire! Here's the fire! Look at that party! What we got? Watch now, though! Watch now, though! Get him a run! The player not well! Drop the player! Drop the player! Remember that there? Remember we have been there in Jamaica? When there's somebody in my foreign, when the player take off, when you signal the player, signal the player! Anybody from New York there? When you start to a place in New York, you smart up to me go first. It's my problem.
This one from 90s, not happening in the room, but I have the 90s. So everyone in the most fun about this piece. Revolt your life like seven serious. Answer we shut up, we tell you when the weed is. You last don't speak to the crowd.
And the mad people tell my man, smart people tell
This one from 60s and 40s. The man them people right through the
the mad people tell my man, you know. Because I heard it 2000, you know. What are ready? What are ready? What are ready? What are ready? Put up your man, mister, put up your man. Everybody, mister, put up your man. Put up your man, mister, put up your man. Die down, down. All right, then. We pass one, now we are getting some. I'm in a big car, big girl, them skirt, and they may not be go. Man, we have a woman and it. Baby, say it. I think I want the one, the woman, then the morning. But we so for the best position, I go shot. To me, it's really not happening. What's up, everybody? What's up? Everybody start talking to me. Everybody start, we have piano, man. We have piano. We have piano. And the cartel first time. Get that much money. When the cartel one day. Yes, they can't swear for nobody. But you must can't swear for your friend. You see my friend now? Everybody, we have your neck at your wife. We have your neck at your wife. You can't dance. You can't dance. You can't dance. I want to take my granny understand me. Before she did. What she said?
Before the rifles
the war is on in the morning, no. Anyway, guys, are there. Reach us to get that door.
This man will get gunshot.
What not to us, madness?
where them a go, where them a shine, around the fly into the sky. But in the world,
What's a piece of trouble here now? Give me a rhythm now first. Give me a rhythm. Freestyle. This is still a long time. The guy a racer now. Freestyle.
them all people the reason. When I'm up here, span the scene.
I'm close to man over there, can
Snatch them as suicide, them should be using and roll your dignity. Them a feature, we reach any to the reach. Bring a jump like seizure.
When the squeeze, them find one get
Shoot them, see how we are fresh. Shoot them, the man.
you told me even she can't believe. She still cry, man, can't believe.
And now we go all day and all night. From that go to the night you want. Then it's too sweet, it's not all. Injuries in the true love. Not with beings out.
What are you doing, man? See that?
I mean, I'm in a new one.
There's a body man can't do that, sir. The man who watch it, start to-
One more session.
When you say Kiko image, you know, from Mr. Fast roll out, you know, pure damage, you know. You know, I have this on the body, so I represent DJ Boy up here, Jeff Boy. Kiko image! You have to come out alive for more. We didn't have country tonight. We didn't dance. They called it a country, we didn't have town tonight. Yes, we was. Yeah, good. Right now, you have to tell them right. How much pay you have for your hour? 8, 9, no, 10 pay you have for your hour. Like, go your road. I love everybody come out and show them. Man, pick up for yourself next year. It's like a big woman in the house.
Five-star Dennis.
Shot. Still going strong. Next to the building, big up, sector, and I'm out. Bad man. It's not much of a sector out in the glory. What if I start to play? Black 90, small circle. So when I play good here, let's put a 7. Oh.